it is the end of my work day today. I'm currently back home and I'm just in our little office here at my house. But y'all, this has been a gloomy week. It's been so gloomy outside and I have just not been feeling this week. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna have to wake up and try again next week. Like my influencer stuff, still trying to work on that. I've been watching people, I've been researching people, and then I also like attended Erin on Demand. She had like this live webinar, but I wanted to come to you guys because new idea. I'm pretty sure if you look in my community tab, you probably already taken the poll, but I just wanted to see if you guys would be interested in my consultation services and my coaching services. So I am going to start doing one-on-one calls where you can book me and we can get on a Zoom call together or whatever you prefer, even over the phone if you like. But pretty much it will be a one-on-one for either 30 minutes or an hour, however long you will book me. And we pretty much can talk about like whatever you want to talk about, whatever you need advice about. I'll be able to help you. So I think I really want to focus on like career. So maybe if you're trying to like level up in corporate America, I do have a digital ebook about that. But I'd also love to, talk to you guys kind of about my experiences and maybe how I can help you just navigate through corporate and with your resume. I want to do like social media coaching and consultation. So if you're like a beginner influencer, if you have like 100 followers to like 4,000, 5,000 subscribers and you're trying to grow, I definitely do want to be that resource for influencers that are smaller than me, because I know when I'm coming up as an influencer, it's not a lot of little influencers, I guess you can say, like me, who are helping the other little influencers. All you see is like girls with like 100,000 and 50,000 and 1 million subscribers, and they pretty much only want to cater to people that are close to their following ranges. So I kind of want to be that resource for the small little nano influencers. So yeah, we can definitely talk about like social media, like how to get brand deals, how to pitch yourself, and different things like just that. General confidence coaching. I know confidence, that's something that I never really struggled with, like being confident. And I think that I have a lot to offer in that space. So if you guys are looking for like general confidence coaching, you can definitely book me and we can get on a call for that. But I think this will also give me a chance to kind of just sit down with some of you one-on-one, and so you guys can kind of get to know me better, so I can get to know you better and help you the best way that I can. But I really love to teach, I love to lead, so I think this will be something really amazing that I'm going to try and start. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all are interested in booking a consultation call and booking a coaching call with me. I'm just so excited to be trying something new. But yeah, like I said, just leave me a comment down below if you'll be interested in this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do today for the rest of the day, but like I said, it is Friday and it's Mardi Gras season in Louisiana. So we already started having some parades. I know we had like the Scott Parade, the Karen Crow Parade. And there are some more parades to come in Lafayette, so I might hit up one of those parades. I'm not really sure yet, but as far as tonight, I'll probably just go out to eat with my family and call it a night. But that is about it. I am in the car, my little sunroof or whatever. I know y'all want a car tour. Y'all gonna get a car tour. It's gonna be soon, okay? I just don't know how soon because I'm working on something. So if it work out, but if it don't, it don't. But anyway, I'm getting some boudin and cracklings, y'all. Y'all know how I do. I like my boudin, I like my cracklings. And I just got my meal preps for the week from Greenheart. I'll go ahead and insert a clip so y'all can see what Greenheart looks like. But they are pretty much a meal-based company, and I think they're in like a few different cities, but they have meal preps. They have like sweet potato fries, they have burritos, they have quesadillas, they have pesto pasta, just a whole bunch of stuff that they have. And on Saturdays, they're $5. So me and my mom, which is holding the phone, me and her, we like to get those. So yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing today. We went to the Dollar Tree, got some snacks and stuff for my grandfather. And yeah, but we pretty much in line right now, y'all. About to get this boudin and crackling. So that's the only thing bad about like me being back home. The food, y'all. The food, and the food. Mom, you want to say hello? She's enjoying the new car and the sunroof. Y'all got my little sunroof because y'all know my Camaro. It was small and it was really dark in there. So I didn't like that. But yeah, girl, I got my little sunroof or whatever. Mama, I was like, let's just chill out. I'm like, girl, we are not in a convertible. She wants to chill. But yeah, y'all. So that's pretty much all I'm really doing today. Went to some stores. Probably gonna just chill for the rest of the day. Mom's making hot dogs tonight. So I got my little chili and cheese to make my little Frito pies. But that's pretty much it, y'all. We're gonna just chill. And then last night we went to this place called Jane's Seafood. And it was really good, y'all. I had the crawfish fettuccine. And it was my second time eating there. Well, actually, it was my second time eating the food, because the first time they brought me back some food. Oh my God, somebody in trouble. But anyway, yeah, so the food was pretty good last night, y'all. So we chilled. We had some margaritas there. I inserted a clip of the margarita. Mama had a, what was it called? A Jane Teeny? She had a Jane Teeny. So it was some kind of like martini that she had. But yeah, we just chill, y'all. And that margarita had me feeling right, girl. I was feeling like, oh my God, round two. My Green Heart meals, I just wanted to show you guys kind of what they look like and what is it, but it's called Green Heart Meals. You can go to their website, www.greenheartmeals.com, and you can see like all of the different meals that they offer. They do have like breakfast stuff, they have lunch stuff, dinner stuff, but yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all kind of like examples of the meals that they have there. So this is the Philly cheesesteak wrap, and it's pretty much seasoned beef, onions, mozzarella cheese, bell peppers wrapped in a tortilla, and they also serve them with potato wedges with seasoning on it. And these are really cool because all you have to do is pretty much pop them in the microwave and they're ready to eat. And then lasagna. Small little lasagna looks like. And then Texas melt, which is just brown rice loaded with onions, bell peppers, ground beef, and mozzarella cheese. And I pretty much love anything with cheese. And then I got steak and eggs, and this is low-carb protein-packed meal consisting of diced steak and scrambled eggs. And y'all, the eggs look kind of good, I ain't even gonna lie. And it does come with some picante sauce on the side as well. So that's pretty much how the steak and eggs look. And then also I have some chili, cheese, sweet potato fries, and it's pretty much keto chili served on top of sweet potato fries. So yeah, so this is my little portions for the week. I normally take these to work with me because I'm not really hungry during the day. I normally get hungry like the most at night. But yeah, so that's pretty much my meals I got this week. And if you guys go to greenheartmeals.com, I'm pretty sure there's like a locator or something that you can use to see if you have a Green Heart in your area. But I love Saturdays because all of the meals are $5 on Saturdays, and that's normally when me and my mom go and we pick up a few meals for the week. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got today, and I just got some stuff from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, and I'm about to get ready for the week. Tomorrow is Sunday, probably gonna just chill, but as far as today, probably not doing nothing for the rest of the day, but I'll see y'all in the next one. Yesterday was like super busy for me, and I think today is kind of going to be the same. Like a lot of people have been emailing me at work, but yeah, I'm just ready to tackle this Friday, y'all. And maybe I might do like a video, maybe like day in the life of a corporate health consultant, because like I'm kind of on the road. Of course I can't like record like exactly what I'm doing, exactly kind of where I'm going, because I think that would be like, you know, just kind of like a little too much, and you know, for my safety and all that. But yeah, girl, I'm on my way to work, okay? And yeah, let me get off this phone, girl, because I'm on a highway. What's up? So I just got off of work. I got some packages that came in. Well, really just one package from Shein. And then I went to the hair store today on my lunch break. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what I got from the hair store. Go ahead and get into it, girl. So the first thing I got from the hair store, y'all, was some flexi rods, okay? Because it's been a minute and I don't know what to do with my natural hair anymore. I have been wearing wigs, clip-ins, and now lately I've been really just rocking a silk press, but I haven't washed my hair in like probably like 3 weeks. I know, so gross, but I plan on washing my hair tonight. As you guys can see, it's in a ponytail. So y'all know what that means at the end of a silk press. If you got your ponytail, that pretty much means that it's time to wash your hair. But so I got this size, which is the 10-inch length, and it's the 11/16 inch diameter. And then I got the smaller ones as well. So yeah, so I actually want to try these on my real hair. I used to use them like on my wigs all the time, y'all, and flexi rods work so well. So I want to see if they'll do a good job on my hair. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it tonight because I think I'm just wanting to do like a wash and go. I'm not really sure. But I'll definitely, you know, put another clip on how my hair comes out, whatever I choose to do with it. The next thing I got is the silicone mix. Now, silicone mix, it makes your hair really, really soft. I've really only used silicone mix on my wigs. So y'all comment down below if y'all use this. Last hair product I got is the original World of Curls gel. And this is a curl activator that softens and moisturizes hair. And this is a new and improved one. Yeah, it looks like they changed their packaging and everything. So I love this. I think I've used World of Curls. It might have been like the light curl activator. I don't think it was the original that I used. I think it was the light version, and the light version worked really well. So I'm more than sure that the original, this one, will work just as good. So, and I also wanted to use a gel that I would know that really would elongate my hair, because when I used the light version of that activator, it really did a good job, y'all. And I think I have a video on my channel using the curl activator. Then I got some Kiss New York Duo blending sponges. My mom needed some sponges, so I got her these at the beauty supply for her makeup, her foundation specifically. And then I got me 2 face masks, and these are the tonifying hyaluronic acid facial sheet mask. So I got 2 of these, and I think these were like $1 something, maybe like $1.29, maybe $1.99, not sure. But yeah, so hyaluronic acid is really good for our skin, especially like because we're melanated. And yeah, it's just really good that we have hyaluronic acid in our skincare. So if you're a black woman, girl, get you some face masks with some hyaluronic acid in it, or even in your facial products like your acne washes and your moisturizers, make sure it has hyaluronic acid, okay? So that's a little beauty product that I got was this Kiss multi-shaper, and this is a dermaplaning tool, and I think you can use it for both your eyebrow, and you can also use it to remove hair on your face. I currently do not remove hair on my face, but I think I might actually try it. I heard like it makes your skin really, really smooth whenever you dermaplane. So yep, planning on trying that. So that's everything I got today at the beauty supply store. I'm gonna like it and open this up, tape this clothes, all kinds of stuff. Down below if you guys want me to do like a haul, trying on these clothes in different pieces. So I just wanted to pop in here and just talk about my entire hair process. So this is how my hair looks after being shampooed. My ends are looking a little straight because I have been getting my hair straightened quite a bit. And I will say that my hair is a little bit drier ever since getting highlights. But what I am doing here is pretty much detangling my hair with that TGIN conditioner. And that's how much hair came out after I conditioned it. I went ahead and rinsed that out, and then I followed up with the silicone mix as a deep conditioner. I just put this on my hair to soften it up, but I also wanted to make sure that my curls would come back at the end, so I made sure to really, really deep condition with that silicone mix. And yes, y'all, my curls did bounce back, okay? I was scared because your girl thought she had heat damage, okay? So I guess I just have to be more careful and maybe not get my hair straightened as much, and maybe start doing protective styles in between my silk presses again. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here and just kind of pop on and say that. And if you guys want me to do a separate video, maybe a natural hair update, wash and go video, I can definitely do that for you all as well. So pretty much all I do to style is the first thing I do is I use my Revlon blow dryer brush to go ahead and dry my hair to at least 80% dry because I don't like to have wet hair anymore. And then I'm going to go ahead and use that TGIN Miracle Repair RX leave-in, the Silk Elements gel, and the curl activator to actually begin to activate my curls. And then after that, I just put my hair in 2 little pigtails and I braided them and I folded the ends to make sure that my ends will curl up, and they definitely did. But that's pretty much the end of my hair routine. Pretty much how my hair came out from last night. I quickly showed you guys the process in this video, but when I woke up this morning, I wanted it to be a little bit more dry, so I did go back in with heat and also cool air with my blow dryer, and it kind of stretched it out a little bit more. But as far as the curls, I feel like they're very defined, especially like at the ends. But of course the blow dryer kind of make it just, well, it made it just a little frizzy at the top, as you guys can see. But yeah, so that's pretty much how my hair came out, girl. Boom, boom, boom. Here it is, here it is, here it is. But I'm glad it's the end of the week. I had a lot going on, y'all. Work was busy this week. Had a doctor's appointment. Like, it was just a lot going on, girl. But I'm about to pack. I'm going to go visit Babe this weekend. And that's pretty much it for me, y'all. I'm probably not going to vlog when I go because I don't think we're going to be doing much. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. If you guys like what you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Give me love, oh, baby, give me, make me calm down.